right? How to go for this recursion and how to start this, right? I'm starting with a simple question, right? The question is, if I'm giving you one basic PNC question, right? Then you can understand exactly how we have to form the recursion formula and then how to solve this, right? Two things, right? Two separate things, right? Solving the recursion is an algebraic process and creating the recursion is a genuinely right a different process when we have to use the permutation and combination or little bit logic on that, then we have to go for that. And solving the recursion is one of the simplest part that we will do later on, right? That's the only simple part when we have to solve this, right? How to solve the recursion formula. But when we are saying we have to create this, right? See, I'm giving you the situation, right? We have to toss a coin, right? 10 times. But we are not knowing how many hits are there, how many tails are there. We are not knowing how many hits are there, how many tails are there. But I'm giving you the condition. We have to toss a coin 10 times. Find number of cases when no two hits are consecutive. No two hits are consecutive. This by counting also we can do, right? And without counting, we have to do, right? So both the processes are there. So what I'm doing, I'm doing this without counting. And one time we'll go with the counting, right? The counting process, the physical process, the basic processes, when I'm saying, right, number of cases when no two hits are, so first case, no hits, all tails. Only one case. Case two, one hit, 9 tails, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means we have how many gaps?
10 gaps.
10 gaps. So this will be 10. Third, 2 heads and 9 tails. Oh, sorry, 8 tails, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many gaps are there that we have to fill? How many gaps are possible in this? If 8 tails are there, how many gaps we are creating in this? You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Obviously 9, right? Obviously 9 because 8 separate things will give you the 9C2, right? Then I'm saying fourth case, right? 3 heads, 7 tails are there. So what is the answer? 7 heads, so we will create 8 gaps, so 8C3. Then fifth case, 4 heads and 6 tails, right? Then 7C4, right? 6, 5 heads and 5 tails. How many options you have? 6, 8, 5. Why only 2? And 7, 6 heads and 4 tails. How many options we have?
0.
Very good. 0. Only these numbers we have to count. Right. And if I'm giving 20, then I have to go for 20, right? So every time we have to go for this, right? So we thought, no, it's not good, right? Every time we have to count, this counting process is not good, right? We have to start something new, right? So just I'm creating a situation when I'm saying, just careful everyone, right? A net position contained by head. nth position is head, right? Hn is denoting as nth position is head and no two heads are consecutive, right? And Tn denotes nth position is tail and no two heads are consecutive, right? In both the case, we are taking no two heads are consecutive, but the nth position may be heads or tail. Is this okay? Is this okay? Means if I'm saying H5, what is the meaning of H5? Fifth position is head and no two heads are consecutive. If I'm saying T5, fifth position is still and no two heads are consecutive. Both the case, I'm saying the same, no two heads are consecutive. Is this okay? Right? So I have to create a situation or the number in such a way, nth position is head and nth position is tail. Now, I have to think for Tn minus 1 or Hn minus 1 at position. If the position of, right, the nth position is fixed, nth position is taken by head, what we can think about n minus 1th position? It will be taken by head or tail.
Tails.
Okay. So we are pretty much sure for this position, it must be Tn minus 1. And one option of head when I'll multiply, so this will be equal to h of n. Is this okay? Very good. And if I'm saying this is the nth position is taken by tails, so Tn is equal to this will be taken by either heads or tails. Very good. Impressive. Very good, beta. Right? Very good. Fibonacci series, right? So this Tn minus 1 is equal to Hn, the first, and second is Tn is equal to h of n minus 1 plus Tn minus 1. But we have to take both the numbers as we are getting the same something, right? So this Tn minus 1 is Hn, right? So Tn minus 1 is Hn. So I can say Tn is Hn plus 1 is equal to Hn is Hn minus 1 and Tn minus 1 is Hn. So we all know this type of series as, what is this series? Fibonacci series. Is this okay, everyone? But I have to go ahead for this, right? Further, we have to see this. Please note down carefully. This is the starting point of your recursor. Is this okay, everyone? Utkarsh, okay, beta? Tanmay, getting this?
Yes.
So this is the Fibonacci series, right? If I'm saying it 10 times, we have to toss a coin. I hope everyone has noted down, right? I'm saying like 10 times we have to toss. So what do I have to find? I have to find H10 and T10, right? We have to find, right, H10 plus T10. 10th toss, I'm getting as head, or maybe I'm getting tails. Okay, not done, not done. Done. Very good. So I have to find, if I'm saying it 10 coin, 10 times I have to toss a coin and I'm not getting, right, two consecutive heads. So 10th toss may be ended with head or maybe ended with tails, right? And I'm getting the formation of this as something like this: Hn plus 1 is equal to Hn minus 1 Hn. This is the Fibonacci series, right? What is the value of H1? What is the meaning of H1? H1 is one time we have to toss a coin and no two hits are consecutive. That is H1 is one only. What is H2? What is the value of H2?
1.
One again, right? No two hits are consecutive and the second toss is right head. So H1 and H2 both are 1. So if H1 and H2 both are 1, so I can go for 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 134, right? And so on. Sorry, 144, and so on, right? What I have to find? H10 plus T10. What is the value of H10 plus T10? Could I say this will be T of 11? H10 plus T10 is nothing but T11. And T11 is nothing but H of 12. Is this okay? So the value of H10 plus T10 is nothing but that's H12. So the number, what I'm getting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And our requirement is this only. So 144 is a H12, and that is the answer of your question. Everyone comfortable with this question? I'm not saying recursion, comfortable with this question,
Yes, sir.
right? So we have to create, right, a equation. This is the real mathematics, right? When we have to create the equation and then we have to go for that, right? So I'm not saying every time we have to find the number. It's okay. You're understanding this now, Sanjana? Is this okay? Are you understanding this? Right? That's it. That's it. Right? We'll do that. The like basic method, basic way we have to do. Right? This is called the string problem or the recursion formation. This could be given in different forms. Like I'm saying, you have to write down the number with 1 and 2's, right? We have to write down 11-digit number or 10-digit number or 15-digit number. No two ones are consecutive. Is this okay? The same question. We have to write down the number, right, with the 1-digit, 10-digit number with ones or twos. No two ones are consecutive or no two twos are consecutive, right? Same question. What we are doing in with heads and tails, I'm saying you have to arrange a bar with 1 cross 1 block or 1 cross 2 block. right? This is 1x2 block, and this is 1x1 block. You have to just arrange this up to n. N bars are there, right? What is this 32 RN?
Sir, I also use combination method.
What?
So like we can take 1 and 2. If we take 2C1, if either of them, then only the next option will only have one of the options that can be the other number, and then it would repeat, right?
What is the question?
Sir, it is given that 10-digit numbers should be there, that 1 and 2 must be filled, and no ones can be consecutive, neither twos can be consecutive.
That I'm saying this is the same question with this one. Why you are writing 32? Not understanding.
Sir, the cases, right?
Why to take the cases? This we know the Fibonacci series is this. Right? In the Fibonacci series, we have to write down.
Yes, sir.
And the Fibonacci series is an is equal to, right, the same thing as an is equal to an minus 1. Just I'm giving you the situation. These all are the same situation. An is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Right? This is again the same thing. This question is same. This question is same. Right? Again and again, you are getting the same question. What I'm saying. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So let's start with few other things, right? What I'm saying, okay, like just I'm drawing the line. No two lines are parallel and no three are concurrent, right? No three are passing through the same point and no two lines are parallel, right? After drawing all the lines, this will like you'll get the planes. Like in this, you are getting 1, 2, 3, right? Right. The planes 4, 5, right? All the planes you are getting, right? So how many planes you'll get for n lines? Right? N lines will divide the planes into how many parts? How many parts you'll get when n lines are divided? Question is clear?
Sir, we have done a similar question. Polygon.
Take your time, everyone. Very good question. Think with the recursion.
Sir, could you say the question?
If no two lines are parallel and no three are concurrent, how many plane will be divided by n lines?
How many planes, right?
You can also try with the induction, right? For 1, for 2 plane, for 3 planes, then you will be able to visualize exactly what you are getting. Let's start.
Is it possible using recursion?
Possible what? What is it?
So is it possible using recursion?
See, what I'm saying, I'm drawing a line, right? And a line divide the plane into 2 parts, right? So first, this A2, right? Yeah, one line ke liye, like I'm writing A1 is equal to 2, right? The second line is coming, right? This A2. How many planes you are getting? How many parts you are getting?
4.
4, right? So can I say this key A2 minus A1 is nothing but 2? What about A3 minus A2? The third line is coming on this, right? So this third line, what this third line is doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 minus, this is 3. What is A4 minus A3 is coming? Could you say something? If you'll see this line, what this line were doing? Obviously, this plane was there. So this is dividing 1 and 2 and 3. So every third line or every fourth line will come and divide this in a where this is intersecting the other lines, right? So A4, right? If fourth line is coming on this and intersecting all the lines, right? So you can see this. This is again, this is again, this is again, and this is again. So every nth line when coming, then you are getting an separate plane from this, right? So this is one of the recursion thing is coming in this, right? If I'll add all this thing to an minus a1 is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to, is this okay? If I'll start with a naught, so this will be a1 is 1, a1 is 2, right? First line divide the plane into 2 parts. So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. And the formula for n you are getting plus 1 by. Is this okay? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So these type of question, when you can also go for like 1 by 1, you can go for this, right? Now I'm creating a situation where you have to understand exactly how to create this like series or the recursion series on this, right? There are 3 color of ball: red, blue, and white. Red ball, blue, and white balls, right? What we have to do, we have to create a recursion when I'm saying these balls are arranged in a row. These balls are arranged in a row in such a way no two red balls are consecutive and no two blue balls are consecutive. but I'm not saying anything about white balls, right? So see what I'm doing, right? You want to try or just I have to start?
So how many red, blue, and white balls?
N. For just I have to write the formula for N and resolve this in terms of either a white ball or blue ball or red ball, one ball. You want to try or I have to show this? Just tell me fast, everyone.
Sir, N are odd plus
One.
B plus W.
And is not given odd or even. Right? And can be odd or even. Not required in this. Should I start or you want to try? See, I'm solving this. What I'm saying, ki Rn, see,
Square the rectangle situation.
see, first I have to create Rn, Bn, and Wn. So what I'm saying, ki Rn denotes, right? Nth ball is red, and these two conditions are there. Right? No two red balls are consecutive as well as no two blue balls are consecutive. Right? Bn denotes again nth ball is blue, and again the same thing, right? No two red balls are consecutive, no two blue balls are consecutive, and W and nth ball is white, and no two red balls are, and blah blah blah. Is this okay? So this first I have to create key nth ball is this, and the conditions are given. That's I'm fulfilling the condition. Is this okay? Now I'm writing this in the mathematical form. What we require, no two red balls are consecutive, no two blue balls are consecutive, but white balls can or cannot be consecutive. So see this carefully, everyone. Rn is equal to Rn minus 1. We can't write because consecutive to that red ball must not be there, but Bn minus 1 plus Wn minus 1 is the first equation. Similarly, Bn is equals to Rn minus 1 plus Wn minus 1. But for Wn, just help me out. What I have to write for Wn?
Sir, Rn plus Bn minus
Rn minus 1 plus Bn minus 1 plus Wn minus 1. Is this okay? Consecutive to this white ball, we have not to take the white ball, but we can take C. The question was, ki nth ball is red and no two red balls are consecutive as well as no two blue balls are consecutive, right? Now, if I'm writing nth ball is red, so what about n minus 1th place? Sanjana, what about n minus 1th place? Is there a blue ball, white ball, or red ball? Blue ball and white ball, right? Blue ball, but red ball must not be there. Very good, right? So red ball must not be there. So what I'm saying ki Rn. So n minus 1th position will give the same thing. What is the meaning of Bn minus 1? Bn minus 1 is saying n minus 1th position is a blue ball and no two red balls are consecutive, no two blue balls are consecutive. So I'm writing if nth ball is red, n minus 1th ball will be blue and n minus 1th ball will be white. Is this okay? For first one.
Yes, sir.
Everyone okay? Tanmay, Rishabh, everyone
Yes.
okay? Then again, I'm saying for the nth ball is blue, the n minus 1th, 100% it must not be blue, but it must be red or white, right? But the last case where we are not getting any restrictions on white. So I'm saying if nth ball is white, n minus 1th ball could be white or blue or red. So I'm writing these three. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood, right? But like note down this, right? Then I have to explain, I have to get an equation in the form of, right, either the red or a green or a white, right? How will you get that, right? Please note down this, then I'll go for that. Okay. Okay. Then the second thing, right? First, we have to create the equation. So now I hope you all know how to create the equation, right? All you need, right? Now, this. So in this, how to create the equation, right? How to get the answer in the form of either only the red one or the blue one or the white one, right? See this carefully. See this carefully. See the symmetricity in this question. Symmetricity is like symmetricity I'm getting in 1 and 2. Both are looking as a like same thing, right? Both are right, almost the same, right? So go for first two, right? Because both are symmetric, right? I have to add both this. So Rn plus Bn is equal to Bn minus 1 plus Rn minus 1 plus twice of Wn minus 1. Is this okay? Is this okay? So this Rn minus 1 plus Bn minus 1, Wn minus 1, and this is given, right? I have to write down something in terms of Rn and Bn, right? So I have taken this equation 4. Only see these two equations. Can we do something with these two? If you'll see this, so Rn minus 1 plus Bn minus 1 is nothing but Wn minus Wn minus 1. This is 3 prime. Now see these two. Are you able to create something in white on? Take your time. Is this possible to create an equation in white only? See, Rn minus 1 plus Bn minus 1 is Wn minus Wn minus 1. What you'll say if I'm writing Rn plus Bn, what is the value of this? Wn plus 1 minus Wn. Is this okay? So if I'll put these value to Rn plus Wn is Wn plus 1 minus Wn is equal to Wn minus Wn minus 1 plus 2 Wn minus 1, right? So ultimately I'm getting Wn plus 1 is equal to 2 Wn plus Wn minus 1. See this carefully. How to solve this? Take your time, note it down, careful, right? Maybe you are getting this. Is this okay?
Sir, how come Wn came Rn minus 1 plus Bn minus 1? That.
Which one? This one?
So the third step, third equation.
This one? This equation?
Yes, sir.
This equation is for the condition were given, na? Ki no two, right? We have to arrange red, blue, and white ball in row in such a way. No two red balls are consecutive, no two blue balls are consecutive, but white ball can or cannot be consecutive. Right. So if I'm taking the nth ball is white, so what we can say about n minus 1th position?
It can be Rb or W.
So R means this is R minus 1, B means B n minus 1, and W means W n minus 1. So sum of these three will be nothing but W n all,
Oh, okay.
right?
Yes.
Take your time, everyone, take your time. This is something like the question is, the formation is totally different. So take your time, you can think. Is this okay, everyone? Done? Done?
Yes.
Same question I'm giving in this, right? When I'm saying, right? Red, blue, and white in place of this three, I'm saying we have to arrange the number 1, 2, and 3 in a row. Right? 1, 2, 3 in a row in such a way no two ones are consecutive. No two twos are consecutive. That's it. Try to make the equation for take A as 1, B as 2, and C as 3. Now, try to make a string for not more than 5 or 7. Right? For 7 string, what answer you will get, or 5 string, what answer you will get. Everyone understanding the question?
Sir, what is 5 string and 7 string?
Means you have to use the digit 1, 2, and 3 5 times. Means the value of n is 5 or 7. What is your answer?
5.
5 string or 7 string. 5 string and 7 string for both this means n is equal to 5 or n is equal to 7. You have to find the answer. Wow, very good, Sanjana. Very good. Very good. Now calculate. Very good. Kavyam. Manually you can do, right? Very good. Curse, where are you? क्या हुआ?
Sir, almost.
Aryan,
सर मैं भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ.
your camera is off.
So this is the same as the last question, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Almost the same.
हाँ सर, वो 1, 2 और 3 का थोड़ा like
See,
similar
this is
आ
the
रहा है.
first lecture. Just you have to be comfortable with this. Ki how to create this, right? This I'm giving you the question for one string only. Only what I'm saying, no two are consecutive. And the next lecture or after that will go for no three are consecutive or no four are consecutive, no five are consecutive, right? So this is the first one when you have to feel comfortable and you have to ask lot many questions, right? Yes, sir, how I'm going this, and these are very basic things, right? Only you have to know exactly how you are going for your creation, right? So only ending with one, ending with two, or ending with three. Very good, Utkarsh. So let's start. May I start? See. So again, I'm getting this as first. AN, BN, and CN. The same thing will come as red, blue, and white, right? So lastly, what I'll get, what I have to find, right? I have to find AN, what we have taken, RBN. Rn plus Bn plus Wn. We have to find this. Is this okay? This for 5, I have to find R5 plus B5 plus W5. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Right? What is the value of R5 plus B5? What is the value of R5 plus B5? This R5 plus B5 is W6 minus W5 plus W5. So this will be W6 only. That we have to find. And what is this W6, right? W6, for W6, I can use the formula Wn plus 1, 2Wn plus Wn minus 1, right? And what was W? Right, W was the 3, number 3, right? What is W1? 3, the number 3 I'm using at first place, and no two ones are consecutive, no two twos are consecutive, is 1 on. What is W2? Second place number is 3. Second place number is 3, and no two ones are consecutive, no two twos are consecutive. 1, 3, 2, 3. Options 2. Right? That's it. Now you have to find manually all the things, right? And in the fourth lecture, we will know how to solve this by using polynomials, right? But I can find this manually, like W3 is 2 into W2 plus W1, right? This is 5 plus 1, oh, sorry, 4 plus 1 is 5. W4 is 2, W3 plus W2. What is W3? Right? 10 plus W2 is 2 is 12. W5, 2 into W4 plus W3. Right? So what I'm getting, 2 into W4 is 12 plus W3, 5. 24 plus 5 is 29. And the last W6, 29 into 2 plus, what was that? W4. I guess you all are getting this. 63?
The calculation mistake key.
Kavyam, okay na? You understand na? Receive okay na?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
okay? Tanmay, comfortable?
Yes.
अरे ये स्माइल क्या बात है? And like lot many question you'll get, right? Lot many question, and the variety is something like every second question you'll get now with the variety. Like you'll see, okay, this is not the different one. This is the string problem. This is also called the string problem. This is also called the recursion, right? And like when it is not given how many times you are using the specific number 1 or 2 or specific digits or the alphabets or the number of balls, right? Then you have to use this formula. Is this okay? So just I'm creating a question. See, write down everyone. How many ways are there to tile an 10 by 2 board with 1 by 2 dominoes, such that each domino covers exactly 2 squares and no dominoes overlap. Obviously, huh? Right? Question is clear. Lot to come to say. Actually, this was from MIT. Huh? First time this question was asked in MIT. Then it was copied by IOQM, right? The same question, right? Asked, right? So we'll be fortunate if we get the same thing, right? We'll Done. Very good, Kavyam. Done, Utkarsh.
No, sir. 2 minutes.
Okay, take your time. Take your time, everyone. Take your time. Try to create some recursion on this. Very good, Utkarsh. Very good, very good. थोड़ा सा एक और देख लेना, करीब करीब कैलकुलेशन में यू आर गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट. ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट, ऑलमोस्ट. Almost the same thing what we have done earlier, right? So let's start. Only think on, yes, very good, Utkarsh, very good. Tanmay, Krisiv, Sanjana, Krisav, this is the Fibonacci series, right? This is the Fibonacci series. Okay, let's start. This is the dominoes, or this could be the dominoes. So we have two options for this. Either we can go with, right, two of the dominoes is just we are putting in horizontally, right? We are putting both this dominoes horizontally, or maybe we are putting the vertically, right? So this could be here, right? This could be in this way, or this could be in this way, right? If I'm putting in this way, so both has to come as this one does, right? But if I'm putting in this way, it has to come in the vertical way. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? So what I am doing now, this is one of the question, right? Second question I'm giving you, just you have to try. Then we'll discuss this. Just a minute. The second question I'm giving you. We have the binary string, means we have to write down the number with 0 and 1. Write down the number (15-digit number) with 0 and 1, such that first condition, this will start with 0. Second, this will end with 0. Third, no to digits are consecutively 1. Right? Third question. The string with 0, 1. Digit string with 0, 1. Condition first. Ending with 1. Starting with 0. No to consecutive term is 0. थोड़ा सा इस पर काम करके रखें, फिर हम लोगों को आगे बढ़ना होगा. आई गेस थोड़ा सा यू ऑल नीड टाइम फॉर दिस, राइट? आराम से यू कैन टेक टाइम, राइट? गो थ्रू दिस, राइट? Okay, so note it down. Third point is no two digits are consecutively 1. For first question, no two digits are consecutively 1. And second, no two consecutive terms are 0. No two consecutive terms are 0 for the third one. And for the second question, no two terms are consecutively 1. Okay. So, right, go through this, right? This, not all 3 questions and this one, right? Then we'll start this thing, right? And hopefully, right, you'll get the concept on this, then accordingly we'll. Okay. Right?
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Right. So, okay. Take care, everyone. And then Saturday we'll meet again, or just we'll say at the time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
How about tomorrow? Okay.
Just I'll tell you now. ना?
सर एक बार सर्टिफिकेट भेज सकता हूँ मैं?
हाँ, मैं एक बार निकालता हूँ बेटा, then I'll send it to you. ना? Okay.
Thank you.
And tomorrow we'll sit, na? Sorry,
Sorry, sir.